Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn about letter A, B, C, D, F. We have red color A. This is letter A, red color. A is for apple. A is for apple. B, letter B. B is for banana. B is for banana. Can you draw like this? Letter B. B is for banana. C. Letter C. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. Letter C. C is for cherry. This is letter D. D is for duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. This is letter F. F is for fish. Wow, we have done. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F.